Hello and welcome to your very first PHP tutorial. Now, assuming that you have a web server up and running, like I do here, you can go ahead and install something like XAMPP or WAMP or something. I just downloaded the PHP server. I downloaded Apache and PHP from zip files. You can get them from the Apache website and the PHP website. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to make a new file, and we need to save this. Now, I'm going to save this in a new folder so that I can show you the differences in file names. I'm going to save this as PHP2 because I already have one for PHP, and I'm just going to save this as main.php. Now, once you've saved it as PHP, you'll see that when you write the PHP tag out, it turns red. That's because of highlight syntax. Syntax highlighting, sorry. Now, in here, we're just going to create a basic PHP tag and end the PHP tag. We're going to make an HTML tag and end the HTML tag. Now, let's go ahead and put something in the HTML tag, like h1 hello, and put an h1 tag in the PHP tag saying hello and end it. Now at this point we're going to go and open /php2 /main.php. Now, hang on one second. You'll see that because we have HTML in the PHP tag, you can't use PHP inside of an HTML tag. Sorry, you can't use HTML inside of a PHP tag, but you can use HTML inside of a PHP file. So if we remove that from the tags and we leave these here, you will see that hello actually comes up. If you look at the source, you can only see the HTML. This is useful for when you want to hide something. For instance, if you had a database connection in here, you could hide your password and username for the database connection. So let's go ahead and get on to our actual file. Now, if we were to go to /php2, you would see that we get this. Now, this is because every directory needs an index, and an index is simply a file name called index.whatever. You could have .html, .php. So let's put some PHP tags in here, close them, and then resave this as index.php. And then once we refresh this, this file will automatically come up because we had this index now has, sorry, this directory now has an index. And there you go. Now, the basic PHP is to put something onto the screen. This is done by using echo or print. So if we use echo, and then we just type something out, you're going to see that we're going to get an error. There you go. Now, it did actually come up, but this is here because we haven't done it correct. The way you use PHP echo is you need to put these two and then a semicolon. Now anything we put in here, it will print it out. This can also be done with print hello. You see that they're on the same line. What I didn't tell you is you can put HTML inside of echo tags. So if we put a break here, this will move to the next line. So what you can't do is you can't put HTML directly into the PHP tags, but you can put them into echo, and I think you can put them into print. Yep, you can put them into print as well. Now, just to show you what we can do with this, PHP and Apache come with an echo that you can echo directly. Now if you go ahead and type echo php info, 2 brackets and a semicolon, you should get this file right here. Now, the first thing you should always do to make sure that your PHP and your Apache is working properly is to echo the PHP file out. To do this, you would type echo space PHP info, open bracket, close bracket, and a semicolon. Save it, and then you will get this. So, assuming that you have the server running and you have PHP installed, this will work. I think that's all we'll do for this tutorial, as we'll get into more advanced stuff in the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Please rate, like, comment, subscribe if you find any of this enjoyable, or if you learned something today.